Oh, hell no. See, ain't no bless you on this one, partner. I'm gonna let you meet the blesser. I'm airing this bitch out. On my mama, I ain't taking no chances. This is that Hakuna Matata virus that popped up on that cruise ship. I ain't letting my life get shut down for another 4 years. I don't have the clock nor the currency to let that happen, dog. Don't explain it to me. I know it was an accident. You're gonna have to talk to Big J, because I just did same-day shipping from you to him. God forgives, the Glock does not. Don't play with me. Too many people on that train, too. Everybody gotta go. Oh, gosh. I can't watch this back. I'm done.